Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HubSpot Lifecycle stages for better reporting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings icon in the main dashboard. In the settings menu, find and select the Objects tab. Under the Objects section, choose Contacts. Scroll down to the Lifecycle stage option. Click on the drop-down menu to view available lifecycle stages. Review the default lifecycle stages provided by HubSpot. If necessary, click on Edit to customize these stages. You can add new stages or modify existing ones as per your business needs. Once you finish making changes, click Save to apply them. Next, head to your contacts list to see the updated lifecycle stages. Select the contact whose lifecycle stage you want to adjust. In the contact profile, locate the lifecycle stage field. Choose the appropriate stage from the drop-down menu. Save your changes by clicking the Save button. Repeat this process for other contacts as needed. To ensure accurate reporting, revisit the reporting dashboard. Create a report that includes the lifecycle stage data. Analyze the report to gain insights into your sales funnel. Utilize these insights to inform your marketing and sales strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.